I know what you're gonna say. You are the dumbest person in the world. I know. Ipsy has done me dirty so many times, and each time I keep going back, giving it one more shot. When I saw that like Patrick Tal was featured, I was like, all right, let me give it one more shot. So this is Ipsy's Glam Bag X. Not to be confused with the Glam Bag Ultimate. Your Glam Bag X includes 7 to 8 full-size products worth up to $350. I don't remember shit about the Ultimate, so don't even ask. You'll get one February, May, August, and November. So you get 4 of them a year. So I guess it's kind of like Oxy's Luxe box. Isn't that how it works? Like you get every few months you'll get one. It's $55. I haven't looked in it yet, so let's see if it's any better or worse than our normal Ipsy. Who the fuck is this? But I will say though, they gave you like a newspaper. And let me just say, there better be shit about every single product in here. This is the Private Doctor Define Minus Serum. Retails for $49. That's pretty. Okay. It's like weighty and everything. All right, so here's the bottle. Really, really pretty. This retails for $49. This is no average face serum. Inspired by professional derm treatments, it uses micro-tingling specules to deliver a cocktail of smoothing, firming, and plumping ingredients to the deepest layers of the skin. Let me see if there's any concerning alcohols in here right off the bat, because that's always what I look for. Damn it, there is alcohol. It's all the way down at the bottom, so that's good, but still, I don't like that there's alcohol in here. Oh, no! There's alcohol to not. It's the, like, 4th ingredient. I'm already pissed. That's unfortunate. Okay, next is, I think I picked this, scrunchies, because these retail for $12. Oh god, I will say, this is a fucking annoying paper. I'm never happy. Next product is a tool. Oh, this is a Sonic T-Bar massager. Did I pick this too? Was I able to pick 2 things? This is ringing a bell. I don't have one of these. I love, like, facial tools, and this is the one of the few ones I don't have. Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. This retails for $58, but come the fuck on, you can get these at like Marshall's for $10. Good skin glow starts with the right prep. Specifically for smoothing and sculpting, glide over your skin to help reduce puffiness, relieve tension, and sculpt your features. I don't know if I believe that something like this can do like sculpt your features and stuff. I think it helps like push in your product and helps like relieve tension and stuff, but I don't think it actually like does too much more than that. Maybe I'm wrong, but you know. Does it come with a battery? No, you cheap bastards. Next in here is, oh, I'm excited to try this. This is from Item. It's like a cosmetic brand. I've never heard of them before, but I got a concealer from them like a month ago. This is the One Hit Prime Set and Refresh Dewy Finish Face Mist. Oh, I love the bottle. It's like matte, infused with aloe, tiger grass, helps soothe and calm. Lavender, rose waters to help tone and brighten, and sodium hyaluronate to hold in moisture. No fragrance, sulfates, phthalates, and parabens. But there's alcohol in it. And it's supposed to be dewy, so it already kind of look dewy because Samantha Ravndahl stuff. Next is, oh, I don't have any of Huda Beauty's like big palettes. This is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. Cool. This retails for $65. I had like a few of her smaller palettes, but I never had a big palette from her. Pretty. I mean, I'll keep this and try it. I've heard mixed things about Huda's shadows. So it seems the top row is kind of like a cream formula, and then these are powders, and then the rest are matte. The matte look really nice. I'm hoping they're as nice as they look. Has anybody tried like the remastered? Ooh, wow. I've heard mixed reviews about her shadows in general, but those are swatching extremely nice, so I'll definitely be trying this. Oh, Pat McGrath Fetish Mascara in Extreme Black. I'm not gonna open this. I'm not a big mascara wearer, but that's very cool that we got this. This retails for $30. I'm gonna save it and pass it on and maybe surprise somebody. There's 2 things left in here. We have a lipstick, it looks like, and this is from About Face. It's the Matte Painted Lip Color. And oh, I love that tube. It looks like kind of a dusty rose kind of shade. I'm hoping it's not too like grayish. The shades just don't look good on me. It's a little gray. Yeah, it is. Darn. This retails for $22. Get a few shades. It's nice to get a different one, but Maybe I can get away with it, but I love this packaging. It's so cute. And the last thing is Patrick Ta blush. I'm hoping it's not broken. Oh, it's not. And this is a gorgeous color. I'm gonna put some on. And the shade is She's So Passionate, I believe. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Oh my God, I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. I'm pretty excited. I really like these two things. I'll use the lip product to see if I look okay. I'll definitely use this. I won't use this, unfortunately. I might use the spray. It's one thing to use like a setting spray. You're really not putting that much in your face. It's different to use a serum and alcohol be that close to the top of the ingredient list. So I think I'm just gonna save this and pass it on. The mascara is super cool, but I'm gonna pass it on because I mean, it's just gonna sit in my collection, so I'm not even gonna bother opening it. But I'm very excited. That was a really good box. And I'm definitely gonna keep it until the next one. I'm hoping it's not like, I'm pretty sure this was the first one. I'm hoping it's not one of those instances where they're like, oh, let's send out like a kick-ass first one and then the rest, it's just gonna be shit we couldn't get rid of before. So fingers crossed. I've definitely gone through this with Ipsy before, but I'm really hoping that's not what this is. So let me know if you got this box. What did you get in yours? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.